today we have with us Disha and Aditya for their film Malang. Hello hotness.
Hello.
What's up?
Chillin'. Chillin' out.
So so much of promotional activity you guys are done with, and the film is releasing in like 2-3 days. What is the frame of mind right now?
I guess just, for me, I just want to watch the film now. We've been promoting so much, but I've not seen the film.
Kind of detached from the film now? Enough to watch it objectively?
I think I am happy that I'm busy right now because right now as an actor there's nothing that's in your hands.
Right.
It's whatever we had to do has been done. So it's just that the promotion actually now in these last couple of days for me is good because it's keeping my mind busy and keeping me occupied. Because otherwise you're just going to be sitting and thinking of what will be when you can't control what will be. So in that sense I'm happy. But definitely not detached from the film, very much for me attached to the film. It is something that we've been working on for so long that we want everyone to watch it and like it, so very much attached to the film.
You have a dialogue that my life is all about like living from one high to another. I would like to know from both of you guys that what is that thing that gives you like the best high, or what is your definition of living life on high note?
I guess two things. I think if your film does well, I think that's a big high because you worked really hard and people appreciate your work. I think that's a big high. And I think cheat days for me.
Cheat days. What do you eat?
Sugar, any chocolate, Indian sweets, any kind of laddus. Yum.
I think the feeling of good days, it might sound very boring, but like when something you feel has gone well on set, or you feel like you've a shot going well, or a day and a sequence and just driving home after feeling a buzz. You feel it some days, you don't some days. So that kind of buzz after a day where you feel like maybe you got something good, is a bit of is a great feeling.
Yeah, right. But tell me, like, because you guys have won many awards and there are so many fans you guys have and all of that. Tell me, when was that one moment when you guys just felt like, oh my God, like this is that oh my God moment?
When I got to meet Jackie Chan, I think that was my oh my God moment for sure. For sure, I cannot forget. I was just mesmerized. I was just staring like a stalk. I was stalking him basically on set. I was following him everywhere, and I would just stare at him the entire time. Like, oh my God, my hero is here. And it was a damn good feeling.
I guess there are many moments. I think she's mentioned a moment about meeting someone she looked up to. I guess for me, after screening of Guzarish, I think Mr. Bachchan came up to me and had some nice words of, praise, which felt amazing. Just the fact that he had watched something that I had done and that he liked it was pretty oh my God moment.
That's
Yeah.
That's the kind of high. Tell me another thing, because the film is releasing and after that there are so many reviews, whether it's public review and critics and all that are coming. Are you guys ready for that?
Yeah, I've been at it for a while. This is how it is. Absolutely ready. Want everyone's going to have an opinion. Doesn't mean you take everyone's opinion too seriously.
Right.
The only opinion that you want to really hear for sure is the audience's.
Right.
And that's the one that really matters.
So box office number matters the most as opposed to critics?
I think a box office number is a reflection of the audience having accepted and liked the film. Because the more people that come in and watch it, a film becomes successful when it's been liked, when it's been accepted. So in a sense, it's connected.
I think the biggest critic is audience, right? I mean, they are gonna judge. They are watching it. So I think if the film does well on box office, that's what shows that people have liked it.
Yeah, I'm sure they're investing
Connected,
money
right.
and time. So,
Yeah,
so I think
a lot of value for money and time.
yeah. I remember last time when I was having a chat with you, you were saying that you read a lot of, you follow actually a lot of public review, right?
I like watching
public reviews, right? And then you were also saying, huh?
It comes from heart. It's not judging so much. It's like I liked it or I didn't like it. It's just as simple as that.
Almost instant and almost
very true.
very unadulterated.
Yeah.
So tell me, and also most of the time, I mean, I remember last time also you were saying that people appreciate my look more than my acting, also because probably I'm working in the commercial space. how, and I remember last time I also having this conversation with Aditya, and he was also saying the same thing. You know how people tend to discount the acting skill at times if you are a good-looking actor, right? So, do you think it happens more in commercial film as opposed to art house film, or what they call it, like content-driven, content-driven film?
I mean, it depends on your film and depends on what part you're playing. And commercial films for sure are more like fictional. You're playing someone who sometimes could exist but usually doesn't exist, you know. And people don't really take that so seriously. But I don't know actually, I don't know what to answer. I mean, I'm grateful enough that I'm accepted somewhere, and I have no complaints about that. I'm not complaining about anything, and I think no matter how people like me, I'm happy that they're liking me at least. So I think that's a big acceptance for me.
I don't think I have a theory on commercial film versus non-commercial film as far as actors' looks are concerned. I don't have a theory on how that can translate or not. But apart from that, I think these are some things you can't control, and I don't think you should lose sleep over trying to control them. The idea is to keep the hard work on, keep putting in performances to the best of your ability, and eventually water will find its level. If you do it for long enough and you have films that connect with the audience, eventually I think public opinion will be formed on the basis of merit. So I don't lose any sleep over it, I don't give it any importance. Where what will be will be. I just know that I want to keep trying my best. That's where it takes me.
Right, right. You know, in this film, you guys are looking like super hot, right? And there are post during the poster shoot that all these things are, you know, people are saying ki like, damn, these two look so gorgeous together. What do you think the friendship? Because the other day you were saying that, you know, Adi is my buddy. So do you think that friendship kind of translates to create the chemistry?
I think definitely if you get along with someone, there's a certain ease that you share with someone. It can either happen or not. I think that translates always onto camera, especially in films where you are having to play best friends with someone or be romantically involved with someone. It always, I think, helps if your natural personalities are something that gel.
Right.
It does help. So I think in our case, yeah, we got along from the start. It wasn't something formulated or thought of. I think Mohit also created situations which brought the best out of.
Right, right. Because in this film, you guys tried a lot of adventure sports, right? So after the film releases, is there anything that you guys want to continue? Because you guys tried out a lot of them.
I don't mind trying.
Yeah, what? What? Kite surfing.
Yeah.
Kite
But it's
surfing.
damn hard, yeah. You need like good years to learn that.
No, you don't need years. Actually, you can do it in a 15-day course.
3 months.
You can,
time
no,
it takes.
15 days you can do your first
Solo
thing.
flight, like a normal one. Without
Normal
ribbons.
one, yeah. I think it looks like a lot of fun. It's like you're on your board, you have a kite and you're on the ocean, just going to the horizon. Insane. I want to try that for sure.
Try that.
Yeah.
Okay.
Both of us.
So any message that you guys have for your fans?
I think if you're looking for entertainment and some twists and turns and fun and interesting characters and all of it, please go watch. It's releasing on the 7th of February, and yeah, take it easy.